Okay guys, welcome to Fontana. This is our 2-bedroom villa. Tama-tama, mahina ako sa swimming. So dito, gawin ko muna yung 700 meters. De joke lang, no? Pwede tayo mag-warm up. Pwede rin tayo mag-warm up mamaya dun sa Olympic size ng Fontana. Napakaganda po dito. Yan po. Yan po sila. Hi guys, kamusta kayo? So this is the room. Hi, welcome. This is the kitchen. Yan, dining. There's our bike. Yan po yung bike namin. So, of course, ito si Iko. Iko boy, what can you say?
What's up? What can I say? All I can say is...
Yun. All I can say. So, here, lika, punta tayo dito. Look at this place. Beautiful. Ito yung room ng dalawang bata, no? Siyempre, ito naman yung common bathroom with shower. And of course, this is the master's bedroom. Napakaganda rin. Napakalinis. And of course, meron tayong solong shower and bathroom also. Toilet. So, kompleto siya. Alam nyo guys, check it out. No? Fontana. May mga hotel sila. And at the same time, meron din sila mga villa. So, ang daming choices. And I think sa laki nito, of course, that's the garage. Yan. Kita niyo po dyan, yan labas. Napakatahimik and of course safe yung buong lugar, no? Sa sobrang laki niya, pwede niyo makita yung mga prices at rate ng bawat villa. Sobrang mura lumalabas kasi sobrang comfortable at malamig yung aircon, may cable, pwede ka mag-request ng wifi. So check out details. Fontana, okay guys? Fontana Hot Springs and Leisure Park. Dito gaganapin at race weekend na ng ating Go Clark Sports and Events, Clark Triathlon Classic. Kita-kita guys. Bye-bye!